So this is your experiment number 8. This is reverse power relay scheme for protection. So it's a system where we are going to create a reverse power flow scenario. This reverse power flow scenario can occur in any power systems during the case of a fault, or it's very common nowadays in renewable energy systems. So how we are going to create the reverse power relay? So this is the switch where we are going to create the reverse power relay. We are going to change the connections of the three-phase system. So as a result of this, the direction of the power that is flowing on the line will be changing. So we will see how this happens on the experiment while performing the experiment. So let's proceed for the experiment. So in this experiment number 8, this is reverse power relay. You have a current setting of 2.5 amperes. So the relay is going to take, if any current is higher than this 2.5 amperes, then the relay is going to trip, and it's a DMT type relay, so it's going to operate in a fixed time. So 5 seconds is the time that it's going to operate. Now how you are going to check the power flow? You can see the arrow directions. So the arrows are moving towards right. That means the power is flowing in the right direction. When the power will be flowing in the reverse direction, then the relay will operate till 2.5 amperes current is crossed. Okay, so now let's do the experiment.
First of all, set this switch on to forward position. Switch on. Slowly increase the current up to 2.5 ampere. Now the current is flowing in the forward direction, so there is no fault. And you again reverse the power. It shows the fault because the current is now flowing in the reverse direction, and relay is trip after 5 seconds.
Okay, so this is how this relay operates.